Hello students, in this video I'm going to talk about trigonometry for class 10th. I'm going to give you a brief introduction about this chapter, so let us begin. In board examination, this chapter is almost of 12 marks. So this is one of the most important chapters you can say of 10th standard. Trigonometry, and then we have height and distance. Okay, so total 12 marks. So make sure that you pay attention and try to clear your concepts. Okay, so let us see the definition of trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationships between side length and angles of triangles. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमें एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है कि हमेशा ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ही होगा. ठीक है, आने वाले स्टैंडर्ड्स में आप देखोगे कि चीज़ें थोड़ी डिफरेंट होंगी, बट फॉर 10th स्टैंडर्ड वी आर गोइंग टू डील विद राइट एंगल triangles only. Okay, and as you can see in the definition, we want to study about the relationship between the side length and उसके angles के बारे में बात की जा रही है. ठीक है, लेंथ कौन सी है? लेंथ, this is length, this is the length and this is the length. Okay, as you can see this is 90 degree. Okay, so what about these two angles over here? This one and this one. एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है, this theta is always acute. Okay, this is also acute. कभी भी थीटा यहाँ पे नहीं होगा. This theta is reserved for 90 degree only. Okay, तो इस चीज़ का आपको ध्यान रखना है. So this is what the basic definition of trigonometry means, and based on this there are so many formulas that I'm going to discuss one by one. If I'm going to take my theta over here, okay, so based on this theta, this side will be opposite, this side will be adjacent, and this side will be hypotenuse. This is one of the simplest way to remember opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. If you see your textbook, it will be given like hypotenuse, base and perpendicular, but I would recommend that you remember with this naming structure: opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. It is very simple to remember. Okay, now I'll give you another example. If for example I change my theta, this is going to be 90 degree always, no problem. Now instead of taking theta at the bottom, if I'm taking my theta over here, okay, my theta is over here, so this time opposite will be this one, theta का opposite, theta adjacent, and this one, this will be hypotenuse. Okay, I hope the concept is clear. Now let us discuss some of the formulas. Okay, so let us talk about the first ratio, and that is sine theta. Sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. So in this case, what is my opposite? AB. And what is my hypotenuse? AC. Okay, now we have cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, or in short we'll just write down the first three letters: adjacent upon hypotenuse, and that will be BC upon AC. Next is tan theta. Okay, tan theta, I'm giving you another hint over here. Tan theta is nothing but sine theta upon cos theta. Okay, so this is another form of remembering tan theta, but for the time being I'm going to give you in the ratio form. Tan theta is tan theta opposite upon adjacent. What is my opposite over here? AB, and adjacent is BC. Okay, so this is the main three basic formulas, and based on this we are going to derive another formulas as well. Okay, what is sine theta? Sine theta is opposite upon adjacent. So what is opposite? AB upon BC. What is cos theta? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is tan theta? Opposite upon adjacent. Now sine theta reciprocal means reciprocal of sine theta is cosec theta. हमें क्या करना है? हमें सिर्फ फ्लिप करना है. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? AC upon AB. That means what? What is my AC? AC is hypotenuse. And what is my AB? Opposite. Okay, same goes with here. What is cos theta? The reciprocal of cos is sec. Sec theta equals to AC upon BC. What you are doing is you are just flipping this. Okay, and what is AC? AC is hypotenuse. And what is BC? Adjacent. Tan theta is cot theta. So BC upon AB. What is BC? Adjacent. And what is AB? Opposite. Okay, so make sure that you learn this formula and at least write the entire formula with the diagram 5 times. Okay, now let us discuss some of the important note over here. The first thing is when you are writing sine and theta, okay, this is only one symbol. This is one single symbol. Okay, sin theta का मतलब अगर मैं ये लिखूं that sin theta sin multiplied by theta, okay, ये ऐसा नहीं है. sin theta है ना, वो एक सिंगल सिंबल है, बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं आता. Okay, so make sure that you remember this point. That means what? Sin theta is one single symbol. Sin theta not equals to sine multiplied by theta. Okay, so this is one point. Second is the values of trigonometric ratio. That means, for example, if I draw a triangle, a right angle triangle, and A, B, C, the value of the trigonometric ratio, okay, the value of trigonometry or trigonometric ratio depends only on the magnitude of the angle and not on the length of any side. Okay, this means what? The value of trigonometric ratio depends on the angle. That means I'm talking about this theta only. It has nothing to do with, for example, if I write AB 4 centimeter, okay, and if I draw like this 4 centimeter, or if I draw like this 4 centimeter, it does not depend on the length of any side. It depends only on the magnitude of the angle, whether this angle is 30 degree, whether this angle is 45 degree. That depends on this. The ratio depends on the angle and not on the sides of the length of any sides. Okay, so make sure that you write these two important note over here.